Hello students, Miss Slyman back again. And in this part, I'm going to show you how to do this with your calculator. Because your calculator has this really great function that lets you store values for letters. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to use this store button down here. So I'm going to take my 3, because that was my A value was 3. So I'm going to take 3 and store it as the letter A. And then I'm going to take B, which is -5, so type the number first and then store and then the letter. So now my calculator thinks the letter B is 5. 1 is getting stored as the letter C. And now I can just type in my calculations as they appear. So alpha A, B, C, hopefully is going to give a result of -15, and it does. Let's try that again for our complicated one here. I'm going to clear this so we have some space. So square root of B squared minus 4AC. I get this decimal that is not exact, and I had to give all answers exactly. So I must have, this is irrational. I can't write it as a fraction. If I try, it doesn't work. That tells me it's irrational. So I need to go back and figure out how to write this exactly. Well, the exact answer is going to be the square root of whatever that result is. So I'm going to find that result by itself. B squared minus 4AC. Okay, that's 13. So the exact value here must be the square root of 13. And we can do that with our calculator, definitely. You always have your calculator. If I want to show a bit more work, it's the square root of -5 squared. These parentheses are essential because the whole thing is getting squared, not just the 5, minus 4 times A times C. And again, it's great in that case to use our calculator. Okay, so let's use our calculator again for this one. Parentheses, 3B, close parentheses, raised to the A minus C. 225. And again, if we wanted to show a little bit of work, we could show our 3 times -5. Now I need 2 parentheses because it's this whole product being raised to the power of 3 minus 1. So I can think about this, that's -15 squared is positive 225. And there's your notes on evaluating expressions.